Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 9th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Today we are going to see the topic mode. So mode is nothing but for an individual data, mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently. So most frequently in the sense the value should be repeated more than 2 or 3 times. So let us see one example. So example 8.14 which is in page number 285. So in a rice mill, 7 laborers are receiving the daily wages. So daily wages is nothing but the daily income of the laborers. So rupees 500, rupees 600, rupees 600, rupees 800, rupees 800, rupees 800 and rupees 1000. So find the modal wage. So this is nothing but the question is given like 7 laborers wages. So daily wages of the 7 laborers. So in the given data 800 occurs thrice. So you can see 500 is occurs only one time and 600 occurs 2 times, 800 occurs 3 times and 1000 is occur only one time. So here 800 is occurs 3 times, hence the mode is rupees 800. Next example 8.15. Find the mode for the set of values 17, 18, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22 and 22. So you have to find the mode of the given set of values. So in this example 3 values, that is 20, 21 and 22 occurs 2 times each. So idla 20 2 times vandirukku, 21 again comes at 2 times and 22 also comes at 2 times. Therefore there are 3 modes for the given data. So idu moonume adoda mode values. So you can see the note, a distribution having only one mode is called unimodal and a distribution having 2 modes is called bimodal. A distribution having 3 modes is called trimodal. A distribution having more than 3 modes is called multimodal. Next one is mode for ungrouped frequency distribution. If the given frequency distribution is ungrouped, how you have to find the mode? So in an ungrouped frequency distribution, the value of the item having maximum frequency is taken as the mode. For example 8.16, a set of numbers consisting of 5 4s, 4 5s, 9 6 and 6 9s. So what is the mode? So solution, here the size of the item is 4, 5, 6, 9 and the frequency is 5, 4, 9, 6. So here 6 is the maximum frequency. So here we can see 6 is the maximum frequency. Therefore 6 is its mode. So idhula 6 da the maximum frequency. So idu da in the given ungrouped frequency distribution oda mode. The next one is mode for grouped frequency distribution. So mode for grouped frequency distribution, you have to use the value. Mode is equal to L plus F minus F1 by 2F minus F1 minus F2 into C. The class interval with maximum frequency is called the modal class. So here we can see the class interval with maximum frequency is called the modal class, where L is the lower limit of the modal class, F is the frequency of the modal class, F1 is the frequency of the class just preceding the modal class and F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the modal class and C is the width of the class interval. So if you see one example, you can easily understand how we have to choose your L, F, F1, F2 and C. So example 8.17, page number 286. Find the mode for the following data. So here the tabular column is given. You have to find the mode for the given data. So marks is 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25. So the number of students is 7, 10, 16, 32, 24. So solution, you have to write the marks as 0.5 to 5.5. So why we are taking in like this? You see the notes. So to convert discontinuous class interval into continuous class interval. So we can see 1 to 5. So the next number is 6. So 1 to 5, 5 to 10 means we doesn't have any problem. So it is discontinuous. So we have to convert the given marks into the continuous term. So you just write it in a decimal format. So 0.5 is to be subtracted at the lower limit and 0.5 is added to the upper limit for each class interval. You get the continuous class intervals. So now we can understand clearly. So 1 to 5 we have to subtract 0.5 to the lower limit. So we can write the marks 0.5 to 5.5, 5.5 to 10.5, 10.5 to 15.5, 15.5 to 20.5 and 20.5 to 25.5. Then the frequency is 7, 10, 16, 32 and 24. Here we can see 16 to the modal class is 16 to 20 since it has the maximum frequency. We can see the maximum frequency is 7, 10, 16, 32 and 24. So the highest frequency is 32. So its modal class is 60 to 20. Now we have to choose the L. So L is nothing but the lower limit of the modal class. So we can write 16, we just convert it into decimal. So the lower limit, that is lower limit of the modal class is 15.5. So this is your modal class lower limit L. Then F is nothing but the frequency of the modal class. So here the frequency of the modal class is 32. So this is your F. Then F1 is nothing but the frequency of the class preceding the modal class. So preceding is nothing but idukku munnadi. So 32 ku munnadi namakku 16 da irukku. So idudha nammaloda F1 and just succeeding the modal class idu nammaloda F2. So now we can easily understand how we choose the lower limit. Then this is the frequency value and just preceding value is F1 and just succeeding value of the modal class is F2. Then we know the width, that is C, width of the class interval is 20.5 minus 15.5 is 5. Now we know the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F minus F1 by 2F minus F1 minus F2 into C. So here the L is 15.5 plus 32 minus 16 by 64 minus 16 minus 24, because 2 into F, 2 into 32 is 64 into C is 5, which is equal to 15.5 plus 32 minus 16 is 16, then 64 minus 16 minus 24 is 24 into 5, which is equal to 15.5 plus 3.33 is equal to 18.83. Then you have to see an empirical relationship between the mean, median and mode. We have seen that there is an approximate relation that holds among the three average discussed earlier. When the frequencies are nearly symmetrically distributed, mode is approximately equal to 3 into median, that is 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. Next one is example 8.18. In a distribution, the mean and mode are 66 and 60 respectively. Calculate the median. So here in this given, mean is equal to 66 and mode is equal to 60. So now only we see the relation between the three frequencies. So that is the three averages. So mode is approximately equal to 3 into median minus 2 times of mean. So 60 is approximately equal to 3 into median minus 2 into the mean value is 66. So 3 median is approximately equal to 60 plus 132. Therefore the mean is approximately equal to 192 by 3. Therefore the median is approximately equal to 64.